Hi, I'm Howie Scarboro. I'm the CEO of Fall Protection Distributors. Today, I want to talk with you a little bit about the number one selling adapter plate for the standing seam roof anchor system, and that's the SSRA2 adjustable roof jack adapters. As you can see in the picture, these fit on top of SSRA1 seam anchors, and they're designed to be able to install 10-foot wooden walkboards onto standing seam roofs. You can adjust for different pitch, and you can also adjust for different seam height. So you might be on a 1-inch seam this week, and you might be on a 3-inch trapezoidal seam height next week. The side legs adjust with wing nuts, and all of those parts are padded on the bottom, so you don't have any metal to metal contact with the roof. So this is our resource page for the SSRA2. Just want to show you a couple things here. If you scroll down, there's some links to some different products. These are the type of seams you'll be able to put walkboards on. Some information about how we have these products tested at an independent third-party engineered testing lab. And if you scroll down here, you're going to get to the instructions. So if you order this part today, you can get a look at the instructions online. These will be the same instructions that are going to come in the box. If you have any questions about this product or any of our other products in the SSRA line, give us a call. Our phone number is always right up here in the top right corner. There's our email address. And then you can always get us on live chat down here on the bottom right with this blue button. Let us know how we can help you.